Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the AOC Gaming CQ27G2S BK monitor. This is AOC's latest offering in the gaming monitor segment, promising great performance without breaking the bank. We'll explore its design, features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's start with the design. The AOC CQ27G2S BK sports a simple yet effective look with thin bezels and a black plastic chassis. It weighs about 5.5 kilograms, which gives it a sturdy feel, and the stand offers tilt, height, and swivel adjustments. It's VESA compatible too, allowing for flexible mounting options. Setting up this monitor is a breeze, thanks to its tool-less assembly. It includes HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, and a headphone jack. However, it lacks USB ports, which might be a downside for some users needing more connectivity options. Now, let's talk about what matters most: the display performance. The CQ27G2S BK features a 27-inch VA panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. It's geared towards gamers with AMD FreeSync support, although NVIDIA users can benefit from adaptive sync as well. In terms of image quality, it impresses with good color accuracy in SDR mode, covering 100% sRGB and 90% BCIP3 color spaces. This makes it suitable for both gaming and mainstream content creation. However, HDR performance isn't its strong suit, as the colors appear washed out and the brightness doesn't quite hit the mark for HDR content. For gaming, the CQ27G2S BK excels with its 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond pixel response time, ensuring smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur. The moderate 1500R curvature adds a touch of immersion, particularly in FPS titles where it helps draw you into the action. Moving on to additional features, the on-screen display offers various gamer modes and HDR settings, although navigating through the menus could be more intuitive. A joystick instead of buttons would have been preferable for easier menu navigation. Lastly, let's touch on audio and wrap up with some final thoughts. The built-in speakers are serviceable but lack depth and bass. It's recommended to use external speakers or headphones for better audio quality. In conclusion, the AOC Gaming CQ27G2S BK is a solid choice for gamers and general users looking for a reasonably priced 1440p gaming monitor. It offers excellent color accuracy, smooth performance, and a decent build quality. Just keep in mind its limitations in HDR and audio quality. That wraps up our review of the AOC Gaming CQ27G2S BK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.